Each fall, we invite current high school students who graduated from Rogers Park Montessori back for an evening of conversation with our 7th and 8th grade students. This evening is intended as a preview for our students about what is to come in high school. There are some through lines in these conversations that I think it's important to point out. One thing that the alumni students consistently report on is their ability to differentiate the other Montessori students from their high school-aged peers. The primary difference they report is the relationship the students quickly form with their teachers. We see that these teachers are often going to their high school teachers to clarify assignments or to respectfully argue for their grade. Our students have started clubs at their high schools. Our students have created opportunities for other students to speak. And I'd like to think that that self-advocacy that we see in the high school students is rooted in both a respect that the teachers show to the students, but also the message that we intentionally send to our students that their voice matters, that their words have weight, and that we value their opinions. Here at Rogers Park Montessori School, we are intentional in cultivating a strong sense of agency and self-advocacy in our students, so that when they leave our community, they enter the world with a confidence and a knowledge that they can have an impact.